Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in today's video I want to talk about whether you actually need to apply moisturizer at night. Now you will often see advice that says you should always apply moisturizer before going to bed because your skin enters repair mode at night and needs hydration locked in. But your skin does not suddenly become dependent on moisturizer just because it is nighttime. Because your skin is always regulating water loss and your skin is always repairing itself. Now some skin processes do change slightly at night, but it is not like your skin switches into a completely different mode that suddenly requires moisturizer to function. So what moisturizer actually does is support your skin barrier and help reduce how much water leaves your skin. And if your skin is losing water faster than it can hold on to it, moisturizer can help slow that down. And that is usually when moisturizer actually makes a difference. And that is not something that only matters at night, because that can matter at any time of the day. So if your skin feels comfortable and not dry, skipping moisturizer at night usually does not suddenly cause a skin damage. Because moisturizer supports your skin when your skin needs support, not because it is nighttime. And your skin does not stop functioning if you skip moisturizer one night. So what really matters more is how your skin is doing overall and whether it needs support. So instead of thinking that you must always moisturize at night, it makes more sense to look at how your skin actually feels and behaves and then decide if you even need it. And I hope that this helped you better understand whether you actually need to apply moisturizer at night. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!